Understanding, take a catnap. Unveiling the idiom in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in English, take a catnap. Stay tuned to understand what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, take a catnap, means to take a short, light sleep or nap, usually during the day. It's similar to how cats often sleep for short periods. This expression is often used when someone needs a quick rest to rejuvenate without going into a deep sleep. Let's delve into the history of this phrase. The term, catnap, dates back to the early 19th century. Cats are known for their habit of taking brief and frequent naps throughout the day. This characteristic of cats inspired the use of the term to describe short, refreshing naps taken by people. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in real-life scenarios. Here are some examples. I'm going to take a catnap before the meeting starts. After lunch, I usually take a catnap to recharge for the afternoon. She suggested I take a catnap to shake off my jet lag. This phrase is commonly used in English-speaking countries and has variations in other languages too. For example, in Spanish, a similar phrase is tomar una siesta, which means to take a short nap. Understanding these cultural nuances can add depth to your language learning journey. That's all about the phrase, take a catnap. We hope this video has been informative and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, taking a catnap can be a great way to boost your energy during a busy day. Happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe for more language insights. See you in the next video.